What's up, Boss Fam? It's your boy DJ the Boss. One of our subscribers asked about add-ons, things that you can make extra money within your cleaning business. So if you have a base service, you have add-ons, things that you add on to your base service or upsell, whatever you want to call it. These things are key to increasing revenue in your business. There's only a few ways you can really increase revenue in your business, and that's new customers. You can sell existing customers more services, or which is like an add-on, or increasing their amount of services, or you can increase your prices. That's pretty much it. If I forgot one, then let me know. But for the most part, I like having add-ons and having other things to sell and upsell for when those slow times comes and you're not getting a lot of new clients. You still have something to sell and a direction to go and something to double back on the existing clientele that you have. So great way to make money. And a lot of times your add-ons, like especially in the cleaning business, add-ons are usually a whole nother business. So you can go as deep or as far as you want with these things, to the point of even having a completely separate entity doing those type of things. Like, if you know a little bit about my story, I did not want to do Windows as a part of my base service, but now I have it as an add-on. I don't have any W-2 employees doing that. I use contractors for that type of work because I really don't want to deal with it at all. But I could have W-2 employees if I wanted. I still have the system, and I'll be able to have that as an add-on. So once I have my base service of commercial cleaning, I can say, hey, do you also want some exterior window cleaning? This is something that we do. Then we hit up our contractor and they come out and do an excellent job for us. We split the money. It's wonderful. It's another just another way to keep money coming in.
Tell them to bring me my money.
A lot of add-ons can be standalone services. So if you think of those things that are also cleaning industry related or cleaning businesses, consider making those in a very small way an add-on. A couple of the ones that I really, really like are things like parking lot pickup. Like I said, parking lot pickup can be it's a business all on its own. Window cleaning can be a business all on its own. But parking lot pickup particularly is pretty easy to get started. You don't really need a whole lot of tools or anything like that. I would even say, even if the customer wants a specific scent in their building, it's an add-on. You can sell it as an add-on. Hey, do you want us to add on this extra scent every night for an extra buck or whatever you want to charge, or whatever? For an extra $100, we'll make it smell like lavender all day. Whatever, that can be an add-on. Floors. I do floors as an add-on. I strip and wax floors, we refinish. Now we do all kind of floor stuff. You can sell products. You can sell commercial cleaning products, whether it's toilet paper products, or little urinal pucks, or what have you. You can even private label this stuff and use it as an add-on and sell it to your client base. Trash can cleaning can also be an add-on. You can, whether exterior or interior, you can charge extra to actually clean the trash can. With a lot of these things, you can start off with really basic tools and just get started. But those are some of the ones I really, really like. Real quick, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you're doing yourself a disservice. One thing you want to be doing as a business owner is to be on a continuous learning journey, which means you have to be learning all the way. It's forever. You're learning the entire time, and you have to also be effective with your time. Anyone in business is going to tell you time management is key. So one of the first things you should do is automate this learning system. You're always looking for a way to automate things. How can I automate this, automate that? Subscribe to channels that have to do with your industry and from people that are doing things that you want to do. It starts by subscribing to channels like this. I don't have anything to sell you guys. I don't run a course or a masterclass or anything. I don't have anything to sell you guys whatsoever. I don't even have affiliate links right now at all. But I have built a successful cleaning business. I've been in this business for the last 7 years. It'll be actually 8 years in November. But it's been a great run. But you should be subscribing to channels like this and anything else that you see related to your industry or remotely related to where you want to be in your business. Anyway, but even closer than that. So let's go even closer than services that are generally completely different businesses. How about just disinfecting in itself? So you can, things that are within the commercial cleaning space already. Whatever you say your base service is your base service, and then anything else is an add-on. So I mean, don't be afraid to stand on that. If you offer basic cleaning or basic janitorial services, you can charge extra for disinfecting. You can charge extra for whatever. If you find a way to, if you actually time each and every activity, you can charge per activity, charge for sweeping separately than mopping, per square foot. You can end up developing prices for all of this stuff if you actually spent the time and figured out how much it costs you and how much you want to make, and ran those numbers. You could charge separately for every single thing, and everything could be an add-on. You can add on whatever until the cows come home. But you can look within your service for things that are slightly related to your service and add them on. So pressure washing can be an add-on if you're in the cleaning industry. You can do exterior pressure washing. You can do leaf blowing. I actually have a video on that. Actually, on one of the condo buildings that we do out in Edmonds. It's a really cool, really old facility. I think it's one of the first of its kind in this area, but they didn't have anyone to blow the leaves off the catwalks and out in the parking lot, so we added that on for another few $100s a month. It took 20 minutes, and we can charge an extra couple $100s a month for it. It's great. You train whoever is at the location to do it, and there you go. It's done. But these things don't have to be complicated at all. A lot of these things you don't even have to list on your website. You can mention them somewhere, or you can go as far as to making a whole section of your website dedicated to that particular service type. So it's up to you, guys. There's no wrong way to do this business. Have some confidence in yourself. Make those decisions. It's worse that you are spending time thinking about these type of things than you just doing it. You have to just go and do it. If you were to try these things and get out there and fail forward and fail fast, you would have your answer quicker than you can find it online. Just go and try things. The answer to everything is yes. Go and try it, gain the experience, and keep going. I'm not going to tell you anything that's going to be so profound that it's going to be like a wake up moment for you. Like, no one online is going to say something that's just so profound that it's just going it's going to spark whatever. It comes with repetition. It only comes with practice. You have to be doing it. So go out there and get it done, man. I love you guys. I hope this video brought you some value. Remember, subscribe to the channel, like this video. I appreciate you guys. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.